Recording in progress.
Hello, so today we're going to do some splatter paint. So the first step for your art project is to write your name with a light colored pencil on the back. Yay! Once you have your name, turn your paper over. You're going to get a paint palette that has two things, a little bit of water and some paint. We're going to practice splattering. So when you splatter, you kind of just flick the bristles of the paintbrush. So dip it in the paint and flick. Now, if they're little tiny splatters and you want some bigger ones, add a tiny bit of water, dip it in the paintbrush, and flick. Tiny bit of water. You do not want to saturate, that means coat your paper in water. So tiny bit of water, putting the bare minimum, putting it back in the paint. It just thins the paint a little bit and it makes it easier to splatter. Now, if you get like a big splat and you're not a fan of it, that's okay. Do not worry about it. All these stars look different. And next week after it's dry, we can draw your planet over top. If you don't like a certain splat, like I messed up down here, I'm not a fan of that down there, but I'm just gonna make a really big planet over top of it. So do as much splatter painting. That is the one technique to do with the flicking. The other one is a little bit of water, remember? You can put it over your hand like this. And now this is gonna make this a bigger mess, but it's still pretty good. It's not as controlled, but it will make some bigger splatters, okay? And that's what we're gonna do for our galaxy background. If you get a few water droplets on your paper, don't worry about those either, because guess what? Next week they will dry and you won't be able to see that dark black spot, okay? Once you're completed with your splatter paint, you're going to safely walk it to the drying rack I show you, and then you may begin practice drawing your planets on that practice page I'm going to give you, okay? So here's your splatter paint technique. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck, and I can't wait to see all of your wonderful artwork.